Okay, this is question 9 of the WJEC Additional Maths 2015 paper. This is all about integration. That's what that symbol means. Integrate this expression here with respect to x. So what we need to do here is integrate each term separately. And remember, integration is the reverse of differentiation. So what we need to do, we take that term, 21x to the power 6, we add 1 to the power, and then we divide by the power. We take the next term, we add 1 to the power, and we divide by that power. So add 1 to 2, you get 3, and then you divide by 3. Now with this one, 1 over x to the x squared is really x to the minus 2. Okay, so it's minus x to the minus 2. So I've just written it on the side there for that term. I could have rewritten it all out first, but I'll just do it on the side, that's all I need to do. Add 1 to the power, gives me minus 1, divide by minus 1. And then with 6, it just basically becomes 6x. Because basically there's a 6x to the power 0. Remember, x to the power 0 is 1. 6 times 1 is 6. So you can imagine an x to the power 0 there. Adding 1 to that power gives you x to the power 1, which is x. And then don't forget, plus c, the constant of integration. Now, you need to tidy this up a little bit. So if we can simplify, we should. So 21 divided by 7, well, that's a nice 3x to the power 7. Minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1, so it's minus x cubed. So that 3 divided by 3 just becomes 1. Minus x to minus 1 divided by minus 1 is plus x to the minus 1 plus 6x plus c. And that'll do. We can leave it like that. We could have rewritten that as 1 over x, but that's fine. Let's look at part B. Again, integration symbol, a bit like an F, showing all your work in evaluate. So the answer to this is a value, okay, not an expression. You have a number as your answer because I've introduced these limits. And basically, this is the same as when you use integration to find the area between a curve and the x-axis. And those would be the x-coordinates where the curve crosses the x-axis. But it's just given us the numbers and no diagram in this case. So what we need to do, nice square brackets, put our limits at the top and bottom, and then we integrate each term separately. Take 6x squared, add 1 to the power, divide by their power. Take 4x, add 1 to the power, well the power at the moment is 1, can't see it, it's there. Add 1 to that, you get 2, and divide by that 2. Now there's no plus c for the constant of integration because we are evaluating and we have numbers to substitute in. So what we need to do now, we substitute in the 5 first. Sorry, I'm going to look to see if I can simplify it first to make it easy to work with. And of course I can. Rushing ahead there. 5, 2, 6 divided by 3 is 2x cubed. 4 divided by 2 is 2x squared. Rushing to get these done for you. Okay, now we substitute in the 5. Wherever we have x. And we take away the same again, but this time we substitute in 2. Wherever we have x. Now just take our time. 5 cubed is 125. Times 2 is 250. 5 squared is 25. Times 2 is 50. Take away. 2 cubed is 8. Times 2 is 16. 2 squared is 4. Times 2 is 8. So then we have 300. Take away 24, and the final value is 276. I'll just double check now, add those two, yeah, I get 300. And there's my value. for that part B. Okay, thank you very much.